Hi, say, birthday mo pala. Nagbe-birthday ka pala. Tsaka, di ko alam na birthday mo ngayon. Or, kailan ba? Sa Monday. Di ko alam.
All of these lines across my face tell you the story of who I am. So many stories of where I've been and how I got to where I am. 'Cause even when I was flat broke, you made me feel like $1,000,000. You do, and I was made for you.
Say what you want.
Kaya pala gusto mo magkaroon ng Skype party. Pero, di kasi ako sure eh. Yung birthday mo talaga. So, baka nagkukunwari lang sila, Rax, or may pinagtripan lang ako. So, sige, happy birthday. Happy birthday, tsaka sana nandito sa Manila kasi para mas feel ko yung birthday mo. Pakain ka ng buchi, ng lugaw, palabok, kasi paborito ko yun. Mga ganon, yung feel ko talaga na birthday mo. Kasi, birthday mo ba? Anyway, sabi ni Rax, kailangan na magsulat ng mala scrapbook. Nagawa na naman namin sa'yo yun. So, paulit-ulit. So, ayoko nun paulit-ulit. So, ang birthday mo, happy birthday. Happy birthday. More babies. Ay, wala ka pa walang baby. Mag-baby ka na. Mag-baby ka na, yun yung piliin mo. Tapos, ninang ako.
We were strangers, starting out on a journey. Never dreaming what we'd have to go through. Now here we are, and I'm suddenly standing at the beginning with you.
No one told me I was going to find you. Unexpected, what you did to my heart. When I lost hope, you were there to remind me this is the start. And life is a road and I wanna keep going. Life is a river I wanna keep flowing. Life is a road now and forever, wonderful journey. I'll be there when the world stops turning. I'll be there when the storm is through. In the end I wanna be standing at the beginning with you.
Kanta naman ang awitin natin. Happy birthday. Ang awitin natin nga. Baka di pwede pa. Okay, go. Okay. LSS. Happy birthday, Say. May you have many more to come. And, ano pa ba? Ano ba yung kanta ko kanina? Para sa kanina. Say what you want. Ayan. Para sa yung kanta niyan. And, thank you for the love, the support that you're giving me. And, may you have, also the best of love, in everything in your life.
Happy birthday! Kung birthday mo. Happy birthday! Bye-bye!
Your very truest